In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Zoom meeting password. If you need to update the passcode for an upcoming Zoom meeting, the process is quick and straightforward. This can be useful if you want to improve meeting security, limit access to invited participants only, or simply replace an old passcode with a new one that's easier for your attendees to use. To get started, sign into your Zoom account and open the My Meetings area on the left side of the Zoom page. This is where you can view your scheduled meetings and manage their settings. Make sure you're in the section for upcoming meetings so you can find the meeting you want to update. Once you've located the correct meeting, click Edit. This will open the meeting settings page where you can make changes to details like the date, time, and security options. Take a moment to confirm that you're editing the right meeting before making any changes, especially if you manage several scheduled sessions. After that, go to the security section. This is the part of the meeting settings where Zoom lets you control how participants join and what protections are enabled for the meeting. The passcode setting is located here, so this is where you'll make the update. In the passcode field, type in your new passcode. When choosing a new one, it's a good idea to use something that is secure but still easy enough to share with your intended participants. Be careful as you type so there are no mistakes, since even a small typo can prevent people from joining the meeting successfully. Once the new passcode is entered, click Save. This final step applies the change to your Zoom meeting. If you leave the page without saving, your new passcode may not be updated, so be sure to complete this step before closing the window or moving to another page. After saving, your meeting will now use the new passcode going forward. If you've already shared the old meeting details with participants, remember to send them the updated passcode so they can still join without any issues. It's also a good idea to